As a mechanic, there's nothing more annoying than when I pop the hood, go to open it. Oh, I'm just gonna check the oil, change the battery, and the hood won't stay open. And the reason the hood won't stay open is because the hood shocks or the lift supports, they basically go bad and they have to be replaced. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Some cars will have one of these, some have two. This one has two. This is actually a very easy job to do yourself. At the shop where I work at, we normally don't even charge any labor to swap these out. But I do get a lot of questions, people asking me how to do it. So I'm gonna show you right now how to do it. I do recommend having a second person helping you do this. But in my case, I actually have a tool that holds the hood open. So that's basically gonna act as my second person. All you really need to do this job is a pick or a small screwdriver, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see up here, it gets all oily and greasy, and right down here too, it gets oily and greasy because these are basically just like shock absorbers, like the suspension in your car. They have a hydraulic fluid inside of them. Over time, these seals go bad, it leaks out some fluid, and then basically they lose their ability to lift. So when you go to change these, all you do is, there's a little tab right here, and you take your little screwdriver, and you're basically just gonna wedge it in there, apply some force, like so. Once you get it in there, this little tab will pop out, like that. And now you don't actually have to remove it completely, you just simply leave it like that. So once it's this way, just take your hand and hit it, and it comes right off like that. And that's all you have to do. And then same thing on the bottom, same thing. Stick your screwdriver in here, pry the tab out like so. Once the tab is out, you'll be able to just pull it right off. So I've got my replacement right here. And so on the replacement, it's got the same tabs and everything. It looks exactly the same. But to install this, you just clip it into place. You don't have to mess with the tabs. So I'm gonna go over here. Normally I give it a whack with the other hand to seat it, but that's it. Just insert it. And then up here, same thing. Gonna lift up the hood a little bit to line it up, and just set it in place. And that's it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Pry up. Pry the tab out. And knock it loose. Pry the tab out. And simply pull it off. I'm going to take my new hood shock and snap it right into place. This one's in place here. Lift up on the hood a little bit. And that's it. Now that I have the hood shocks replaced, the hood will stay up all by itself. When I go to unlatch it, it'll actually stay open. So I've actually had to buy this tool because a lot of times cars will come into the shop, the hood shocks will be bad and the hood won't stay open, but most of the time the customer doesn't actually want to spend the money to get them replaced. They're normally, I think I paid for both of these about $45 together. They're about $20 a piece. Some of them are more, some of them are less, but most people that don't do their own work, obviously they're not going to want to spend money to keep their hood open. But I always suggest to people that even if you don't do your own mechanic work, go ahead and get these replaced if they're not working, because you never know when your battery might die or something and you'll have to pop the hood to give your car a jump start. You just never know. It'll make your life a lot easier if the hood will actually stay open. Thanks for watching.